Greetings to everybody. Now I am going to explain about suspension therapy. Suspension therapy is a technique which is used in the physiotherapy for treating the patients. What kind of patients we are treating with the suspension therapy, which means the patients those who have a muscular weakness, muscle weakness, from 0 to 1, 1 to 2, we can train with this kind of technique which is called it as suspension therapy. This apparatus, we call it as Kuthiridas apparatus. Here you can see the lot of nests like checks you can see over here. Each check is divided with 2.5 centimeters difference over here each boxes. This suspension therapy is used for improve the muscle power from 0 to 1, 1 to 2. As it is called as a assistive exercise device. So here by use of ropes and slings, so we are suspending the patient's extremity and ask the patient to move by use of that suspension, elimination of gravity. So we are training the muscular power. So what is the advantage of this technique? So the patients feel comfortable in this environment doing the exercises because of extremities will be in a hang position, and also it helpful to reduce the therapist burden because of we no need to lift like the passive movements, we no need to lift and drive the extremities. So here we are just suspending the extremities with the help of this apparatus. We are just hanging the extremities, patient extremities. The patient feels comfortable and as well as therapist burden will be reduced. And other two important thing is the exercise will be done in a friction-free environment, and other one is exercise will be done in a elimination of gravity movement. So as this is called as assistive exercise device, assistive exercise technique. So here now I am going to explain what are the tools we are using for the suspension therapy, and now I am going to explain. So what you are seeing here, this is called as a slings, and so here you can see the two trays. So usually we advise the students to, when they are coming for the practical, we advise the patient to prepare the suspension therapy. Same like when you go and treat any patients, you have to go with this tray when the patient has come to suspension therapy. So you have to prepare whatever the tools is needed for that particular patients. So now you are seeing here, this is a blue color cloth attached with this triangular rings. So this is, we call it a single sling. So to suspend the extremities, we are using this single sling, and this is kind of broad one. So some people they call it as a double sling, right? You can see here as well one double sling to support the back and all. So we are using this broad sling one, and other than this we have a 3-ring supported device. This is, we call it as a triple sling to try the distal activities. For example, hand and all we used to support with this triple sling, and we have see another 2-3 things is hanging over here. This is, we call it as S hooks for hang extremities and support the extremities with this and connect the extremities with the other S hooks. And also this one, as you know very well, this is called pulley, right? And other than that, you can see here is a wooden plug, right? So, and you can see the other 2 clips we are using. That is, one is dog clips. So this is the one we call it as dog clips. So these 3 things, S-hook, dog clips and pulleys and all, used to connect the extremities with ropes, right? What kind of rope? This is, we call it as slings. So as I said, suspension therapy is nothing but suspending the extremity or suspending the body part by use of slings and pulleys. So that is, we call it as suspension therapy. So by use of these tools, we are connecting the extremities with this mesh and ask the patient to move the extremities by use of elimination of gravity. So the patient's effort is not much needed. So, and also this techniques currently is in out of focus. It was used very olden time around Second World War. The utility of the suspension therapy was much high. But the reason is we have a lot of other techniques we are using to train the muscles when the muscle is in a 0 power or 1 muscle power. So this technique is out of focus. Still, as a therapist, as we are the trainers of muscular movement, so we should know the suspension therapy. That is why I am taking this technique and elaborating this technique to you. Thank you.